I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for beginners. First, download and install the Thinkorswim platform on your computer. Once installed, log in using your existing TD Ameritrade or Schwab account credentials. You'll then choose whether to access your live trading account or the paper money practice account. The paper money account is excellent for learning without financial risk, offering a simulated environment to explore all features. Next, let's personalize your workspace. Thinkorswim allows you to arrange gadgets and windows to perfectly suit your trading style. You can easily add or remove modules such as charts, watch lists, and trade tickets. Experiment with different layouts to find what works best for you. Remember to save your customized workspace so you can quickly load it up each time you log in, saving valuable time. Now, let's explore some essential tools. Dive into the powerful charting tools for technical analysis, applying various indicators to understand market trends. Make sure to utilize the watch list feature to keep a close eye on your favorite stocks and potential opportunities. And don't forget to practice trades extensively in the paper money simulator. It's the best way to build confidence without any real financial exposure. Finally, let's optimize your Thinkorswim experience. Set up custom alerts for specific price movements or important news events, ensuring you never miss a critical market update. Learning about hotkeys can significantly speed up your order entry and overall platform navigation, making your trading more efficient. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. These small optimizations can make a big difference in your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.